Sakto, no? After nitong dalawang rack na to, AJ, mamamasyal muna tayo sa baba. Kasi oras naman para ma-encounter natin yung mga kapating natin. May pumasok na bola. It was the blue 2. And
Yes, wala pa tayong break and run out tonight, but this might be it, Jay. This might be it.
might be the first one. We haven't seen from the Manila MSW Mavericks. Negros, nagkaroon ng mga mispreparations and missed shots kanina. Again, keeping them.
Capitalizing every opportunities
Oo.
talaga given. Magkakaroon kaya ng pagkakataong makabalik, pero kita natin mukhang ito na yung unang break and run out.
And if anything, seeing Tisoy and Jolo, dumadali yung trabaho ni Coach Dennis po sa pag-iisip
Yeah. Final ball. And down it goes.
Bro!
7 games. First BRO of the night.